I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select Bit Form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bit Form dashboard. App setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to your Bit Form dashboard. Under the Actions, click on 3 dots and go to the Responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bit Form. Thanks for watching.